Hello everyone, you're humbly welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my family in Winneba is on a self-sufficiency journey. If not 100% self-sufficient, we want to be able to use the available space that we have to grow some things that we can consume on our own. So this is a tour of our small garden. We have the garden in two parts, one on the right and the other one on the left. I will be focusing on this particular one. The other one we have plantains, then turkey berry, sweet potato. But this particular one is what we use for mostly vegetables. So in this particular land, we have peppers, we have pawpaw. This is a coconut plant that is coming up, bitter leaves. We have cocoyam leaves that we are growing, that is kontomire. Then this is also a grafted mango, pawpaw, and a whole lot. We have also been growing some vegetables that we harvest from time to time. So we recently harvested our veal that is used to prepare Caesar soup, my local vegetable. So veal is also known as bitter. So Ghana is becoming very hard, and every family needs to have a garden because this really helps. And you can actually plant in sacks, you can plant in containers. So this is the best way for us to go as a nation, in my point of view. Now let's get right into the video. I hope you will enjoy my farming vlog with me.
In this video, I'll be taking you through how I nest lettuce seeds and also how I'm going to be transplanting the lettuce seedlings as well. Please kindly stay tuned so that we learn together.
This is the soil I am going to use to nest the lettuce seeds. So I had this soil after we bought and transplanted some flowers some time ago, and the soil, I didn't want it to just go to waste. After seeing videos of people planting in sacks and plastic containers, so I just decided to transfer this knowledge into nesting the lettuce seeds in the bucket. So these are the lettuce seeds. You can see, after pouring the seeds on the soil, slightly cover the seeds with just small amount of soil so that the seeds can germinate well. If you cover the seeds with so much sun or soil, the seeds will not be able to germinate. For lettuce, you don't need to really cover it so much. So after you slightly cover up the seeds, water like how I am doing right now. This is how our lettuce seeds came out after just a week. The seeds have really germinated well, and I think we have about 99% success, as it was shown in the description of the seeds. Yes, so I always water this every morning and in the evening to ensure that the soil is always moist to enhance the growth of the seeds. So I'm just picking out some of the weeds so that the lettuce seedlings can grow very well. I don't want the weeds to grow and compete with the lettuce seedlings for nutrients. I want the lettuce seedlings to be healthy. So I'm just trying to pick out the weeds and ensure that always ensure that your lettuce seedlings are under a shade, like mine, which is in a bucket. I've placed it under an eggplant. So we are about to water our 2 weeks lettuce seedlings. We have nursed this and we are taking
the weeds out. See, these are different from the lettuce. These are weeds. See the shapes of the lettuce and that's of the grass. They're totally different. So let's try and take the weeds out. Okay, so I think that's all. Let's check the other one. Okay, this one. Okay, there's a weed here. Let's take it out. Weed. Okay, so apparently some of the lettuce are now coming. Small. That's how it starts. Very tiny. Some of them are now coming up. This is just another weed. Let's get a tiny weed. So we are done with this one too. Okay. So in a week's time, we'll be transplanting this into the soil. Then get ready to wait for it to grow. Then we'll start eating salad. So these are the ones I transplanted earlier some time ago. They're coming out beautifully. It's actually late. It's about 6 something. So it's getting a little dark. See how beautiful it's coming. This is organic. Organic. No fertilizer. No fertilizer. It's just manure. So today our lettuce is actually about 2.5 weeks. Yes. See how beautiful it looks. So beautiful. The color alone, this is gorgeous. See, this is purely organic. So over here we have some spring onion. Yeah, see how lovely and beautiful they look. Yes, so usually when we buy spring onion from the market, we just chop the heads off. So like this. See how they are. So this is what I transplanted, and it grew to this to that, and many more. So hardly do we buy spring onion nowadays. When we need to prepare something, stir fry, salad, we just come here, then grab some. It's actually good. Then some tomatoes. This one, it's what's the name? Bell pepper, green pepper. Yeah, but it's going bad. I think I have to uproot it. So this thing over here has been here for close to a year. Yes, so it's actually old. It needs to rest. Then we have granules in here. I've planted some granules. Yeah, it's almost ready. Granules. So some of them couldn't go deep into the soil. So let's see if we can grab some granules. Okay. You see. This is it. The granules. So you can crack inside. Hey, this is actually hard. So it's not yet ready, you see? See how it is. It's very tiny. It's very tiny. It's not yet ready. It's very tiny. So wait a month's time or a month and a half time, we might be harvesting it. So today I just harvested some of our spring onion for a quick lunch.
Yeah, see how gorgeous it looks. And this is actually from just 2 roots, 2 plants. So I'll be washing this and then enjoy my salad and lunch.
So we have left the lettuce seeds for about 3 weeks, 3 days today. And today we are actually coming to transplant them. This is how it looks after the 3 weeks, 3 days. So we'll be transplanting this onto the soil. So I'll get my hole, then we'll begin the transplanting process. See how beautiful it looks? So gorgeous. This is the other one. Yeah, so we won't be transplanting everything today. We'll transplant part, then leave the rest for later. Loosen up the soil so that we can transplant. I already transplanted some time ago. Yeah, the ones there. And this is okra seedlings. Okra is coming out. So let's try and get some. So just pull.
Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Like the video, and please let's all do well to plant 1 or 2 vegetables in our various homes. Even if you don't have space, you can plant in flower pots, sacks, and in plastic containers. Let's do this together.
That's the root. So make sure that all the roots goes deep into the soil.
Kindly leave your comments and let us know where you're watching from. Let us know the various vegetables you grow in your country and what your favorite vegetables are. For me, my favorite vegetables are carrots, lettuce, and my local vegetables, which are also kanzaga and veal. We use these vegetables to prepare a local soup, and we enjoy it with a local delicacy called TZ. I will leave a description or a link to all these local dishes in this video.
Get some of the rooty seedlings again. So we are done with the transplanting. I'll just water this, and all that we'll be doing for now is just be watering the monitor, uproot some weed from time to time. So basically that is all. So thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel and share the videos as well, and please share with your family and friends. I love you all. Bye bye.